In this video you will see 10 tips how to connect a junction box correctly. The video shows a surface-mounted junction box, but the same principles apply to flush-mounted boxes as well. 1. Mark each cable with text or symbols. What is the feeder, what is the switch, light and so on. This will help not only connecting, but also possible future fault finding or additions. 2. Start peeling the cable insulation about a centimeter away from the cable entry. If you leave the insulation longer, you might have trouble fitting everything inside of a junction box later. 3. When peeling the cable insulation, don't cut the wires yet but leave them long. Try to keep the wires straight by not twisting them unnecessarily. 4. Separate each wire neatly so that they don't cross over other wires more than once. 5. Measure and cut one wire at the correct length and use it as a model when cutting all the rest of the same color wires. 6. Insert a connector, but don't fold the wires inside of a box yet. Repeat measuring, cutting and connecting to each color and leave them hanging straight out of the box. 7. If blue color is used for something else than neutral wire, it has to be marked with heat shrink sleeve or small flag. Green-yellow wire cannot be used for anything else than for earthing, and it is not allowed to change the color of it with sleeve or tape. 8. When all the wires have been connected, fold them one by one into the junction box. If the measuring is done correctly, they will fit nicely into the box, being same time long enough for the possible future testing or changes. 9. Before inserting the cover, pause for a moment and do a short visual inspection. 10. Mark the cover with the correct circuit number. If the junction box is above the suspended ceiling, it can be marked neatly by hand. Otherwise, it will be done with the labeling machine. Check out the other tips for the electrical installations on this channel. Thanks for watching.